Your midterm exam is coming up soon, so I thought I'll show you exactly where to look for the review material. So click on modules, scroll down to midterm review, and you'll see various topics, and I've also added videos in correlation and regression. I've added a couple of examples here, and also a video in interpretation of slope of regression line. And the rest of the problems you're probably familiar with. The histogram problem, which you've seen in the Canvas homework as well. This is an important problem. And also comparing data using box plots. You've had a similar problem in your Canvas homework assignment. So more or less, this covers the different types of problems that you're going to see from chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4. In addition to this, we're also going to cover chapters 6 and 7, which is mostly statistics, terminology, and definitions. And the questions will be multiple choice questions. The best way to prepare for the multiple choice questions will be going over your multiple choice assignments from chapters 6 and 7 on Achieve. So your exam is going to have about 15 multiple choice questions from chapters 6 and 7. Each question is worth about 2 points, and the rest of the questions will be from chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4. So please go over these examples. There are videos as well for you to review. And that's exactly what your midterm exam is about. Now, the midterm exam covers the easy material in the semester, so please go over all these problems. It shouldn't be that difficult. Try to maximize your score on the midterm exam so you're in a comfortable position before you take the final exam, which covers a lot of material. And the material that we're going to cover after the midterm exam is going to be a little harder than what you've seen so far. So try to do your best and try to get the best score on your midterm exam.